Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome for the first time. Today I'm taking you along as I tackle some much needed house cleaning. I'm starting off by hand washing my daughter's pink rug, but actually since I recorded this video, I've had to move to using my steam cleaner. I just couldn't keep doing it like this. She has grown some, but her messes have gotten even bigger than she has. Okay, so I wanted to tell y'all really quick, I would very much appreciate it if you would like, subscribe, and share this video. It does help me out, and it helps small channels like mine get into the algorithm. And let's be real, we need that push. And I'd love it if you'd comment below to let me know you shared. Also, I'd love to hear your thoughts as well as any cleaning tips you have that you want to share or that you would like to see me try in any upcoming videos. And you can do all that in the comment section below.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
I absolutely love this trash can. It is hand motion to open. It's like $60 on Amazon. So awesome. I love it. It is a little smaller than I would like. It holds 13 to 14 gallon bags, but we put 30-gallon bags in it.
It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two.
Alright, so moving on to the dishes. I swear I feel like I'm drowning in them sometimes and then they appear out of nowhere. But I'm just going to go ahead and finish these dishes that just continue to appear out of nowhere.
Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So right after I got done with the dishes and loading up the trash, my husband arrived with our groceries, so I helped him bring them in, and then we started comparing our continuously growing collection of blenders and blender parts. On that note, because we've had to buy a new blender, and then I ended up finding one at the Goodwill as well, which was great because now we have a backup in case one breaks, and we've had an influx of things breaking here lately. Thank the Lord, my husband knows how to fix stuff. He did not know how to fix the blender, which was the only thing so far to like 5 things that have broke that he couldn't repair. But has anybody had this problem here lately? And only half the things were from Temu, so it's not that. It's not just that. But all right, I'm going to go ahead and finish up the dishes that didn't fit into the dishwasher, and then I need to unload them because our dishwasher does not dry. Even though it gets hot, it will not dry the dishes for some reason. We need a new one, but we cannot afford that right now, so we're just gonna have to work with what we got.
From the sky, just
worst deep cleaning job that you have in your home, and let me know down in the comments so I will try to figure out an easier way to accomplish that. I will feature it as well as your comment in the next video.
Secret start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secret start in your heart so slow.
Alright, so as I was cleaning out the refrigerator, I noticed that we had a few farm fresh eggs from my mother-in-law. When I did the water test, they stood up. They didn't float, they stood up. So I went ahead and fried them up for our dog. But alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and leave me a comment and let me know what is the worst deep cleaning thing you cannot clean very easily, and I'll try to figure out a way to